Hi, this is a tutorial for the Pre-Corequisites tool in Argos. The Pre-Corequisite report allows you to obtain data that can be used to correlate course success with pre- or co-requisites. The results from this data can be used to justify adding or removing a pre- or co-requisite. In the past, the Curriculum Development Committee has expected this kind of data when a department requests adding a pre- or co-requisite. The Pre-Corequisites tool is located in the Academics folder and then in the Program Coordinators subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. You will need to select the PROD ADM connection. The first selection criteria that you will need to make is the term. Then you will need to choose the course subject and code number that you would like to determine whether a pre or co-requisite has an impact. Finally, you will need to select the course subject and code number for the course that you would like to determine if it has an impact on student success in the first course. For this tutorial, we will look at the spring 2018 semester. We are going to explore Biology 1120, General Biology 2. We want to know if Biology 1110, General Biology 1, as a prerequisite, has an impact on student success in General Biology 2. Clicking on the search button will produce a list of students that were registered for Biology 1120 during the spring 2018 term. The first few columns are information about the students and the course and their Biology 1120 course grade. The last three columns list information about pre- or co-requisites. It lists the course we selected, Biology 1110, and the term when the student completed that course. The next column lists the grade they earned in that course, in this case, Biology 1110. Finally, their ACT score is listed in case you wanted to include that in any decisions. A quick scroll through this list shows that students who never completed Biology 1110 seem to underperform in Biology 1120. If you were wanting to evaluate adding or removing a pre- or co-requisite, you should probably obtain more than one semester's worth of data to help make that decision. As with any Argos web viewer dashboard, you can click on the gear in the lower right corner to download a CSV file that can be used in Excel, another database application, or a statistical analysis software package. Institutional research might be able to help with applying an ANOVA or regression model to help analyze the data. This pre-corequisite tool allows us to make more informed decisions regarding pre- and co-requisites for courses. We can then make programmatic decisions that help students be successful as they complete their academic plan. I hope you find this useful.